to facilitate for youth and others to volunteer, because everywhere they need young people. Somehow we all have been working in, many of us at least, in one area, and somehow we think everything will happen, but it doesn't happen. We have to open up, and it shifts with what is happening in the world, how you guys, when you are born after 1956, I'm sure all of you. I am born before, so you have skills, capacities in your system, which our generations don't have. We are like a chain we are building, taking forward. So it's very important. We also saw with this that there are centers who are struggling. And so we actually want to see how to facilitate, how to get people to work together, and how to get generosity to flow in all directions, and that people can move. Because there are so many places, and God knows which place we are called to be in. So I will give you these cards for that. And you can sign up individually, and you can sign up as centers. And if you meet people, please encourage sign up. First, people got very scared because they thought, is this something political? Is this something between Orwell and society fighting again, or trying to take something or hold something? They also were wondering, what is the hidden agenda behind money? Somebody wants money, but we're saying it's free. Are we going to mine this material? No, there is nothing like that. Absolutely not. And now there is, I think every 2 weeks, there is an online thing one can get on. That's why I didn't come yesterday evening to your dinner. So there was about 40, 45 people yesterday. And we just simply have every time 5 minutes each for maybe 4 or 5 centers or individuals to tell about their work. And it's really interesting. It's actually quite mind-blowing. And it's nice because it's very relaxed. So nobody gets annoyed when the line is bad or somebody says the same thing 2 times or like that, you know. It's very sweet. So out of this, Sourcing Our Oneness and Oro Global, in March we are going to have a camp in a place called Yantral in Gujarat. This is I have been there. It's a very, very beautiful place with a very special atmosphere. One of the very close disciples of Sri Aurobindo and the Mother, Champaklal was his name. He was the one who served them through life, an amazing, amazing man, very golden. He was in that center, and he actually passed away in that center. He was there for a naturopathy treatment. So there is a relics center there, meditation room, and there is also some of his ashes are there in a small, not exactly samadhi, but something like this. So one person is there, a little bit elderly. So there is a kind of, the place, farms, there's lots of land. It's in a kind of tribal area, very quiet, off the main track. So we want to see how can we come in and do something with young people, but also with others who want to join, because youth sits inside us, not only in the body, but the body has the advantage of strength and action in a different way than when you are, 70, 80, 90, like that. So we are trying to find funding or part funding. We figured that the cost for the camp will lie around 6,000, and then people, of course, have to travel to get there. We are trying to find funding for those who don't have. We always do that with Sourcing Our Oneness, because we want everybody to be able to come, no? There is a limited facilities there. So we cannot be more than 40. When we are more than 40, then we will have to rent tent and stuff like that, which is also feasible, but which is a second state if there really many wants to stage. So I would like to invite you, those of you who feel an interest in this, okay? I will also send to Monica the invitation paper and information about Yantral. What we would like to see happen there is simply development of what already is there. Natural organic farming, beautiful land for that. The healing aspect in an integral approach, but it also always, you can't just have healers and farmers, you need to have organization like that. There's a lot of things this place could be used very, very beautifully for. But it takes a kind of group of people to look and to see how to hold it a little bit, how to imagine around it. We have a setup for reaching to outcomes, which we will be working with, which is amazing, amazing tools. Works from unity, not from division. And yeah, that is that. Champaklalji, when he was in Yantral, it was actually people in the area who gave the land, and these farmers had asked something about it. And he had said that this place, Yantral, will be, I don't remember his word exactly, but this will be a place of light in India. So we all are putting our energy towards it because we feel it is special, and we need to nurture these places. So all of you guys, think about it. These tools, the way we are setting it up, it's 5 days. We will have outcomes that can proceed at the end, which comes from everybody's interaction. We don't have an outcome which is ready. The outcome happens through our work together. We have done this with more than 2,500 people. We know that it works, and you access this inward in an amazing way. So, what was I going to say? Doesn't matter. It's okay. Sometimes I'm saying one thing and I say something else, and then the first one goes away, So it's like that. You will see how that is later, but it's okay. So, okay. Can you distribute these ones? You can just. I don't know how many there are. And if you need more, then I will get more. And I'm sorry I can't tell more about how we work and like that, but we do groups, random groups of 6, larger group. We always select groups randomly. So you land with whoever is in the group, and then we work together. So we had in Nainital, we had 105 people, from 17 to up 77. The oldest we have had has been 85, okay? All different background, 6 main languages. And we still did random selection for creating the groups. And it works because communication is before language, actually. So people kind of manage, and a few people help sometimes with the translation. And it's very interesting to see. And interesting to see people who have 77 years old, have been deeply in sadhana for a lifetime, okay? And who actually say, we always have shibirs where somebody's lecturing and we are listening. But to work like this, where it all comes somehow for us, is a very beautiful, beautiful thing. Okay? Sorry. Yeah, very good you asked. So this camp is from the 11th of March till the 15th of March. 11th to 15th. Yantral? Which? The name of the place. Jantral. Yantral. And it's. Sourcing our oneness. That's what we call the camp. So this you can, Shweta, you can just interact. You can, because she has been doing, she knows very well. I wanted to train you. Okay. Yeah. We do that when I'm back. Yeah. So, and we are working now with these tools because we have been doing in the camp, but now people are asking for it. So I will also go to Hyderabad to train 100 teachers in several schools there in how to use this, how the 12 qualities. So we are not training them what to do with the children. We are training them because Mother says to be a teacher, you have to be a yogi. You can't teach what you don't have inside yourself. So these tools that has developed from the Mother symbol and from the Matri Mandir, they actually enable you very easily we actually didn't know it was that. I always feel God is magic that is happening. How can we see, always we sit down with groups and everybody is arguing and my way is better and this, no, we do like this, we do like this. Suddenly you sit down together and you work with these qualities and everything has a place. And there is never discussions and debates. And it's not because people are suppressed. It's because people actually are expressing from a different level, not from this outer, which is totally conditioned and made kind of for this lifetime, no? The whole outer being. Yeah, I can leave it here?
Yes.
Very good. Did you give everybody?
Yes, we have
Oh,
given to
wow, and there's left over. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And if you have questions,